Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the new rates which is for the UPSC recruitment test exam, wherein it is likely to be conducted for CBI APP, CBI PP and Delhi APP. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The UPSC initially, which notified in their examination schedule, the date for 21st of February 2021 and 7th of March 2021 was reserved for the recruitment test exam. But the CBI and APP and CBI PP exam were not held on those dates, and even the reserve recruitment test for the exam EO and AO, that is accounts officer in the EPFO exam, which was scheduled to be held on 9th of May 2021, has been deferred till further notice too. Now there is a next date which is upcoming on 4th of July 2021, but since the UPSC has not notified the number of candidates who has applied or the fictitious fees details regarding the CBI APP and CBI PP and Delhi APP exam. Hence, in such circumstances, the 4th of July 2021 exam is also not possible to be held for CBI APP, CBI PP and Delhi APP exam. After that, there are only two dates left which has been given by the UPSC, that is 29th of August 2021, and after that it is 12th of September 2021. So among these two dates, most probably could be the possibility that UPSC may conduct the exam on either on 29th of August 2021 or on 12th of September 2021, if most probably if they scheduled to be. Otherwise, if these two dates are not if on these two dates the exam is not conducted, then most probably the exam will be held in the next year, that is in year 2021. So candidates who are appearing, who have applied and is about to appear for the exam of CBI APP, CBI PP and Delhi APP exam can make a note of the dates, that is 29th of August 2021 and 12th of September 2021. Among these two dates, which has so far been notified by the UPSC, can exams might the exams be going to be conducted, and if possibilities arises, only in that case, because before the examination schedule there is a timetable, there is an admit card, and also fictitious fees details are also being notified by the UPSC, and after that only, after giving approximately 20 or 21 days notice, the exam is going to be held. So in such circumstances, whether it is on 29th of August 2021 or 12th of September 2021, in such circumstances the August first week the details of the fictitious fees details would be coming, or before that, and for 12th of September 2021 maybe the details would be coming in the second week of August, if the exam are going to be held on 12th of September. Otherwise, if these two dates are not the exam is not conducted, then it will be scheduled for the next year or for the later dates, which has so far not been notified by the UPSC. So friends, whosoever is appearing can make a note of the these two dates, 29th of August 2021 and 12th of September 2021 are the likely dates on which may the exam of CBI APP, CBI PP and Delhi APP may going to be happen. So friends, thank you for watching this